Hello friends, welcome to Yes to Cook. Today we'll make a cupcake using very less ingredients and in less than 5 minutes. For this we require milk, sugar, chocolate, nuts, they are optional, and biscuits or cookies of any type like digestive, chocolate, fruit and nut, any. We will make this in a teacup. So now let's start. First we will take a chocolate cookie and place it in the teacup. Next we will take a digestive biscuit and break it and place it in the teacup. Okay. Now we will add some milk and soak the cookies. Now mix it or crush it with the help of a fork. Now add some sugar, some chocolate, and some almonds or any nuts you like. Now mix it again and add some more milk if required, if the mixture is dry. The mixture will look like this. Now we will place half of munch or pearl in the cup, and now we'll place it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now place the cup in the microwave. Now prick a toothpick and see if the cake is cooked properly. Now our cake is ready to eat. Let's dig it in. Thank you.